Phonics sentences practice for kids. Double letter, vowels. Boil the water to make a cup of soothing tea. Boil the water to make a cup of soothing tea. The shiny coin rolled down the sidewalk. The shiny coin rolled down the sidewalk. Plant flowers in the rich, fertile soil. Plant flowers in the rich, fertile soil. The foil wrapper crinkled as she unwrapped the chocolate. The foil wrapper crinkled as she unwrapped the chocolate. Point to the stars in the night sky. Point to the stars in the night sky. The toy robot brought immense joy to the little girl. The toy robot brought immense joy to the little girl. Don't forget to coil the hose after watering the garden. Don't forget to coil the hose after watering the garden. The boy enjoyed playing with his favorite toy truck. The boy enjoyed playing with his favorite toy truck. The soybean field stretched for miles. The soybean field stretched for miles. Keep the toilet lid closed when not in use. Keep the toilet lid closed when not in use. Great job, kids! You're on your way to becoming fantastic readers. Keep practicing and exploring the world of phonics. See you in the next exciting lesson.